What's the matter, Troy? What does that do? What does that do, Troy? What does that do?
Stuff.
What does that do, Troy?
Clutching stuff in.
I like when you waved on the camera the other day when you were sitting on that stainless table. That's the clutch, declutch.
That come out.
So you can shift, power shift.
Get that back.
So tell me about this gasket thing now. They had it cut in two?
Yeah.
Or you have to cut it
So
in
you
two?
can put the bottom valve.
So you can put the bottom valve on. Now you were going to explain something to me and I was telling you
There's
to
a
shut
plate
up.
back here.
Oh.
It's now loose. That needs to get another gasket on, so you got to take that bottom valve off.
Oh, and it was just leaking on the top valve. Gotcha. So that, now it makes more brains. So you got to take that whole mechanism off. That's the shifter, ain't it?
That is the oil pressure regulating valve.
Oh, okay. So you got to take the oil pressure regulating valve off just so you can replace the gasket behind that long plate. So then we can put another gasket on. So do we have both gaskets? Yes, we do. They come as a group. I see you're, now I smell what you're stepping in. Wow.
See how long that is?
Yeah, as long as your anaconda.
Sure.
Oh, that was Kyle.
What?
Anaconda. Never mind.
Kyle drives a Honda?
Kyle drives a Honda. You done? Look at, all I care about is money. Woo-hoo. Do that again. Monkey see. There's monkeys in here, Troy. Kyle.
Somewhere, yeah.
Oh, you got the console off. That's pretty cool. That's cast iron. Look at that. Heavy as hell, I bet. The other one's leaking too. Yeah, you're gonna have fun.
I can assure you I will not have fun.
We'll watch Jay Pater on his Cummins.
Pater, yeah.
Yeah, watch him on his Cummins rebuild. How you went to diesel tech school? Did you ever do an N14? With the washer in between the bearings on the main crank? They don't use, like, their bearings aren't with that dimple in them like the normal. Yeah, just watch Jay Pater and you'll see.
I don't even hardly watch you.
Well, that's okay. I don't mind. You're here every day. I don't need to see you either.
Good.
But no, he has more swear words. That's the most I've ever heard him swear in a video.
I like swearing.
Yeah, I know. I didn't edit any of them out last week.
You didn't?
No.
Holy fuck.
Yeah, ain't it? Okay, I gotta go. You making any progress, Fuzzy? You gotta get all that out through there.
Those two blinds didn't go. There's
Oh,
Three
you got
big-
the bottom one on already?
no,
You didn't take it off yet.
no.
What a pain in the butt.
I think that's why people usually change them with hoses.
Yeah. Yeah. It's leaking around here, he said. He said, she said. I'm not even gonna go back by him, he's mad. Trying to take that bell housing out, he's just mad. Aren't you, Kyle? Not yet? Smash your fingers yet? You got a lot of tools out here. You'll have that, huh? What vintage is this thing? Hey, there's an hour meter. I wonder if it works.
I don't.
Paint it over. Okay. I just came out here to make sure you guys weren't dead. What? You got that off? Does it go in there? Look at that, it's kind of cool. I see, said the blind man to his deaf son who couldn't hear.
All these were loose.
Oh, really? And they all look like they need new O-rings.
These ones don't even have O-rings.
What?
I don't know if that washer's supposed to seal it or what.
No.
That's how it was. Probably shouldn't
There's
use
room for an O-ring. Go look in your pocket. Dude, I didn't say that, did I? I gotta do this and then leave.
a lot of shims.
Water?
Shims.
You'd make a hell of an engine for a bulldozer. Why don't you just be like a Flintstone and just whenever John wants to use it, just sit there and run the transmission with pedals. Just say, shut up, Mike.
Shut up.
Okay. What's that thing?
Cap that you break when you pull them out.
Oh, one of them deals, huh?
Yeah, you don't need that shit.
Okay. Looks like you're starting to get it apart, though, huh?
No,
Oh. Oh, shut up. I'll leave you alone.
it's a rusty
Bye.
bitch.
Bye. See you, bye. Right? Who's number 2? On your hat.
Oh, block.
Oh, local?
What's his name's kid?
Oh, Wayne's boy? All right. See you, bye. You don't have to say anything. I did. I'll say it.
Say what?
I'll tell him what happened. I was over here and
That was a straight line. What you telling him?
he couldn't get that thing loose, and then he just said to me, Mike, he says, oh, you had to come here and look at it, and it loosened up for him.
You're lying to them. Why would you lie to your viewers?
It's fun.
You cunt.
Hey,
I didn't say anything.
is it coming out or is it just spinning?
I think it's threaded.
That's
Bastards.
very well possible.
We can't tell, because now I have to take that other one off and move it so it'll spin all the way around.
This is why we don't, this is old stuff.
I don't like old stuff.
You don't like young stuff either, do you? Okay.
I'd rather work on brain.
I would too, but anyways, yeah, he just said, yeah, he wants to work on Frank's all day. What?
Old Perkins engines only.
Okay, old Perkins engines. All right, we'll do that. I'll line a bunch up.
What's up?
Perfect. Are you fitting it? Kind of making a follow-up from yesterday. Hey, you're pretty smart for a young feller. Where'd you learn all your goodness from? On your own? That's what I thought. The big dog over there, he's gonna go for the big stuff. Hey. What's that? What's that? What's that, a big bong? Hookah? Morning, Kyle. Oh, my picture went away. You're a couple months behind on your calendar.
Is it? I don't know which calendar day.
January. Oh, I gotta show him you got that out yesterday. Oh, wow. What a pain in the ass, huh? You find you any frost bugs yet?
Yep.
Where at?
Your order.
John Deere?
No.
Canapa?
No.
Bumper?
Yup.
Okay. Oh, there's the old ones, huh? You said that one you just poked right through like you were...
Like what?
What is this one? 1 inch, 3/4 inch?
1 inch.
This is about 2 3/4.
3.
3? Okay. Good guess. Look at that. That's a quarter.
Roll good in there.
Quarter. Shove a quarter in there. Perfect. Okay, that's it. Then we're done with this for now. Until we get parts, then we'll show reassembly. Look at he's. You can't cut a gasket in half. He does what he wants, huh? Okay. Be a lot better for him. Okay, see you, bye.